ये यार तेरे कुछ लगा हुआ है। सॉरी, दाग है।
बॉन सब ठीक है लाइफ में? मतलब शक्ल इतनी मुरझाई हुई सी क्यों लग रही तेरी? कुछ लगाया वगाया नहीं है? कुछ लगा लिया कर, घर भागी हुई लगती नहीं तो।
So guys, meetings in push to 2. Please tell Sahil also about the time. And Bon, yeah, do something to your face now. I mean, client meeting है, going in like that.
मम्मी, इसको कोई अपने डर्मेटिक यहीं पे दिखाओ ना यार।
मुल्तानी मिट्टी रात को पानी के साथ थोड़ा सा मिक्स करके फेस पे लगाए।
कुछ तो लगा ले बेटा, मतलब गेस्ट आएंगे देख के सोचेंगे क्या हालत बना रखी है।
15 मिनट में ऐसा ग्लो आएगा।
तूने फेसबुक लगाया हुआ है?
हाँ, क्यों? फाउंडेशन लगाया, अच्छी लग रही हो?
अच्छा ही लग रहा है, लगा लिया कर।
Yep, all of that happened to me. Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Vaughn. Welcome to my channel. I love blabbering to no end and slathering makeup on my face. But does my skin love that? I mean, once in a while, yeah, that's fine. But every other day, no freaking way. I'll end up with acne, pimples, and God knows what all. But makeup is so tempting. I mean, I don't know about you, but I almost sometimes do my makeup without any reason. It just makes me look good. It makes me feel good. It almost adds that extra oomph to your personality. But you can't deny that makeup looks better with better skin. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you my #1 skincare product that has been a game changer for my skin and life changing for me. Rewind back a couple of years. If you look at my face from back then in this photograph, you can make out that my skin looks very dull. I don't know if you can make out in the picture, but in reality it was. I had a lot of marks, scars from acne that I had time to time. I had uneven skin tone, discoloration. I was so dependent on some sort of makeup or some tinted moisturizer like all the time. Like I will not step out of home if I didn't have anything on my face. It was almost embarrassing to be in my own skin and my own face. That's the time when I bumped into this one video by another YouTuber that I follow, and I've been following her for years. Her name is Arsha Murjani, and she was really raving about this skincare product that was, you know, absolutely like a game changer for her, and it did so much for her skin. And she talked about a vitamin C serum. I saw the video, I got tempted, I got wooed, I went and bought myself one. And I used it over a consistent period of time, and boy oh boy, the results, like the responses of people when they looked at me after a while I used the product was absolutely opposite. Like when I didn't have something on my face, I had people asking me that did I was wearing something, did I have some foundation on, did I have some makeup on, you know, what is the glow to my skin. Now you all must have heard about vitamin C to be a very well-known brightening agent. You must have seen it in creams, in exfoliators, in scrubs, and many other makeup and skincare products where vitamin C is there. Vitamin C is there even in fruits, but when you apply it topically as a serum, that's when you get the maximum potency. That's when you can enjoy the maximum benefits of it. Vitamin C serum, because of its acidic nature, basically takes away the dead skin cells, leaving behind your skin more radiant, more bright, and more smooth. And it's basically for someone who's struggling with a lackluster complexion. If you have spots, marks, scars, hyperpigmentation, you can just basically apply vitamin C serum on your face. Over a period of time, you can almost realize that all those spots, marks, scars start to fade away. It is also known for repairing your skin, boosting the elastin in your skin, which is also great for anti-aging. If you have that trouble when you have fine lines and wrinkles, if you are concerned about all those areas in your skin, this is a great way to stop that. Now, what do you need to look for when you need to buy a vitamin C serum? Because you need to basically use a stable vitamin C serum. It basically means that vitamin C on its own is acidic. It's an acid, it's L-ascorbic acid, but it comes in combination with these ingredients. Now, these ingredients basically make it a little more safe, a little more easy on the skin to use, so that you don't have any irritation, you don't burn your skin, and it does not cause any allergic reaction. How I like to use my vitamin C serum is I normally cleanse my face, use my regular toner or any essence that I'm using, and then I use just about 3 to 5 drops of it on my face, maybe a couple on my cheek, on my forehead, on my chin, and I just let it absorb for about 3 to 5 minutes, and I follow up with my regular moisturizer. I like to typically use the serum once a day because for me using it twice a day is a little too much, and vitamin C serum can be a little more drying for dry and combination skin. But if you are comfortable using it twice a day, definitely please do that. Also, a few points to remember when you're buying a vitamin C serum is that go for a sweet spot of concentration that is about 10 to 15%, maybe maximum 20%, but you don't want to go more than that because it can be really strong on your skin. And especially if you are someone who has really very dry skin, maybe stick to 15% or less. Another very important thing when it comes to buying a vitamin C serum is that you always need to go for an opaque bottle, and the color of the serum is going to be almost like clear or a very pale yellow. Don't buy if it looks yellow, if it looks reddish, or if it looks brown, because that basically means it's oxidized. If you already have a vitamin C serum lying at your vanity and you see that the color has already changed to red or brown or anything deep or dark, stop using that immediately. Now, few examples that I have with me for vitamin C serum. One is by Recast. It's the vitamin C serum, which is around 20%, but somehow, yes, I do find it a little more drying, but I just follow up with a very heavy moisturizer. This is the first one I actually bought when I started using a serum, and then I started using this one from Cipla. I got this actually one of the medical stores. It is the VC15 vitamin C serum, and this one is really great. It's 15%, it's not very drying, it's almost very hydrating. I apply that and I can almost see like a sheen on my skin. Now, a few things to remember before you start using a vitamin C serum. Number one, which is the most important thing to remember, is that consistency is key. Guys, don't expect to start using a serum maybe for a week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then be like, there's nothing happening and nothing is happening on my face. I still look the same, my marks are still there. You've got to be patient, and I've been through it, so I'm telling you by experience. You've got to give it time. You've got to give your skin that time, and you've got to give the product its time for it to work properly. I saw my results in about 2 to 4 months actually, and like major results probably after 5 months of using it. It can be less for you, it can be more for you, but what I would just recommend is be patient and be consistent. Another important thing is that don't overuse the product thinking that you'll get faster results. That's not how skincare works. That's not how serums work. You've got to be consistent into using it every day. You can try and use if you want in AM and PM if you really enjoy using it on your skin and if your skin's really enjoying using it. But don't go slathering yourself in, on your face 3-4 times a day thinking that you'll have, better and a brighter skin in no time, because that's not how it works. Another very important thing, and this is actually something that I've picked up from Arshia, and she recommends it time and again whenever she does any skincare product review or she's sharing her skincare routine, is that don't introduce multiple new products when you're starting with a new product, because in case you have any allergic reaction, if your skin has any outbreak or anything, outbreak is, you don't introduce more than one new product, because in case you have a breakout, in case you have any reaction, any allergy, then you know what's causing it. At the same time, you'll also be able to figure out that if the product is really working for you. SPF. I cannot recommend enough and more about how important an SPF is. It is basically what I read somewhere and it was very right, is basically the protection to your investment. You're putting lotions, you're putting moisturizer, you're putting serums, you're putting essence, you're putting face packs, but all of it is going down the drain if you're not using SPF. That's basically the final and the last skincare product that you must put, irrespective of whatever the weather is, irrespective of the sun coming out or not, irrespective of you stepping out of the door or not. You have to put SPF every day, because that's the main product that puts a barrier between your skin, what you've put on your face, and from the sun. And finally, and this is a thumb rule with not just skincare products but with makeup products as well, always do a patch test before you go to full application, because you need to figure out if you do have any allergy to any particular ingredient or any product. So there you have it, guys, my life-changing skincare product that has been an absolute boon for me. So if you are someone who's struggling with a lackluster complexion, is facing a lot of comments, a lot of remarks, a lot of advices and suggestions from people about what to do with your face and your skin, and if you have scars, marks, spots that you're dealing with and there is just no other cream that is coming to the rescue, give a vitamin C serum a try, and who knows, maybe it might work for you as well. If you enjoyed watching this video, please thumbs it up. If you have any questions for me, then please leave them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to answer with all of them. And if you enjoyed watching my first skincare video and you'd like to watch more videos from me, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.